So this time, we're going to be finding out how to efficiently color code our cells, the fonts in blue, which is technically for cells that have been hard-coded. So the key here is to press F5. We're going to use the go-to function. We're going to be pressing on Alt-S using the special function. We're going to be finding constants. We don't care about the text, logicals, or errors that are constant. We only want to find the numbers, which are constants. We're going to be pressing on OK. And what it does is Excel is smart enough to highlight those numbers that we have hard-coded, which are numbers that are constants. So because they're highlighted, all we have to do is to press on Alt-H, font color, FC, and then select the color blue. And as you can see, by doing this, we have automatically traced all of the cells that have hard-coded numbers inside, and we have changed the numbers, the colors in the color blue. And if we, if we combine this function with the functions that the tricks that we have just learned on formatting the cells in green, you could always come up with a macro which enables you to color code your financial model instantly. So yeah, maybe if we have the time sometime, let's try to come up with a macro. So if we combine this little trick with what we have learned, color coding the cells in the color green, we could always come up with a macro, which you could record your macro, and then you could use the function or the shortcut as a way to quickly format your financial model.